after all the builds out in the last 6 months, and we are just using the van already in practice what we need. And actually what is missing is a little stove, because mine went to trash the other time when I was constructing the whole van. And we're gonna go to a shop to buy a little stove now, because we still haven't eaten. We already slept last night in a van. And most amazing thing is I'm gonna take you to Nazaré. It's the place with the biggest wave on earth. Yep. So really exciting for the surfer under us. There are contests here yearly, I think, for the big wave surfers and stuff. We already went to Aveiro with those beautiful little houses, with the striped houses that you see. It was just amazing. Hopefully have a full van life day again today.
So much sun. It's in the face.
There's a lot of sun, but we found a shop now because we have to buy a stove. Monsieur, would you close the door? Okay.
Let's visit your fellow compadres.
My fellow people. Every time I go into one of those shops, I feel like I've been into the shop before. You know, because I've been to. They're all the same, and they always have the same stuff, and it's so funny. I've traveled now through France, Spain, Portugal, and they're everywhere. But I wonder if you go to America or so, I wonder if they have it there too. We're trying to decide for the stove, but we don't know if we should get one of those or this camping stoves. I'm a little bit confused about it. But I think this is one with the big bottle of gas, right? It's still made up so simple. It doesn't even look like a stove. Oopsie.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Okay, now I think we're gonna stick with it. Although I do prefer those, but I don't have no space for a big bottle of gas. I'm always thinking if I might need something else. You know, I wanted to get a pizza pan so we can bake our pizzas now. Or just little pans are so cute. Look how cute. I'm gonna make eggs in there. I probably don't need more, you know. I don't have much space, so. But whenever I'm here, I'm like, I just really like getting cooking stuff. Things that I need for cooking. But I actually don't really need them.
Pancakes. You need this for the pancakes. Pancakes.
I can make pancakes in a normal pan.
Okay, pancakes we go.
Okay, but slow down. We might need
to get to Nazaré, right? And not to shop more. You shopaholic.
Who's saying all van lifers are minimalist? Not me. Sometimes. Not all the time.
Got a pingadosa right there.
We got a stove. New stove, finally. It's not too bad. It's grayish black, so.
It's even better than all black. Ah.
I kind of like it.
I don't like these people who destroy my dreams.
Although I actually do like to have it all black, though, don't you think? Hook it on there, baby, where it belongs. You know this.
Is it like this, man?
Shall we try it? Just to see.
Straight fire.
There is a gas bottle, I think, already inside. No. Wait, I still have a gas bottle up here. Just test it out. But maybe not on a carpet, I'm scared. I'll turn it up here.
Oh, that's a big fire. I like it. We're gonna stay with it.
Cool. Oh, finally I have a stove now.
It's your new stove.
But now I have to see if I can still hook it on as before. There you go. It works just fine. I don't know where the wind is coming from.
Captain Jack Sparrow, can you do it again?
I think the wind is coming from there. We just arrived in Nazaré. There's the van. And this is the little
Old Town Center.
Old Town. It's not even the Old Town. But we're gonna check out the waves now. Hope you can hear me. It's so windy. And now we're standing on a cliff. Over there we have the big waves I'm gonna show you. But here we are just lucky because we're about to hit the golden hour with the sun going down. And it looks really nice coming. you.
And then we're
Of course. We are here at the lighthouse, just up there is the lighthouse. And normally the big waves are here, but today it's not as big, unfortunately. So windy tonight. Everything is such a mess because we were running so shortly on the grocery store.
Should be okay.
Do you want to wipe your feet?
Still smells.
A little. Okay, everything is just everywhere. We are parking on a cliffside, and tomorrow morning you'll see it's amazing. It's just really windy today again. Yesterday that was also super windy. I'll cook some spaghetti vongole for us. So I'm telling you, this is how we spent actually our night. We were in a cafe trying actually to upload this YouTube video and then it went wrong because it uploaded in a weird internet, so I had to do it again. As the second try, I still kept the other video, so YouTube didn't allow me and said it was a duplicate of the video. So now I'm using this little device that I have that I don't really like to use too much because I don't want to waste it. It converts my SIM card into Wi-Fi, but I have no other choice because I really want to bring it up today, and now I'm just using it to upload the video. So I'm just leaving it here.
Someone's get dizzy tonight.
This is for the spaghetti
Dizziness.
vongole. For the spaghetti vongole.
All of it? You're gonna get dizzy anyway.
No. Not from the food.
If you put all of it, you fell.
I also have to clean. This is so messy. We have some vegetable, some salsa. And tomorrow we're gonna make some eggs and bread for breakfast.
And we miss Penyo a lot.
Yeah, Penyo is at home right now. We didn't take him because his parents love Penyo. Everybody loves Penyo. So we left him there because soon I'm gonna make my own way traveling again. And Joao's probably is not gonna come with me, and the parents going
Let me go explain this step down. It's gonna be like this, but she thinking she gonna be traveling soon again. She thinks she's gonna leave me that way, but I got some friends taking care of business. When she thinks the van is completely ready, the TV is gonna go missing. And when she finds the TV, the whole closet is gonna go missing.
Yeah, how are you gonna do this?
And when she thinks the closet is already in, thinks no, she sees it is in, all the makeup is missing. The final act.
So I'm
Can't go.
leaving soon, and his parents miss Penyo already, and I wanted to leave Penyo there so they have a weekend with him and they can spend some more time with him and say goodbye properly. And because I'm gonna have Penyo for myself anyway for a long time, so I thought they would be happy to take care of him this weekend.
They showered him today.
Yeah, they showered him today. It was so cute. Man, this upload is horrible job, especially in the van. This is the worst thing, internet. Okay, I'm gonna start cooking. Shall I use my Le Creuset to cook in this?
Yes.
It was always a dream of mine to have a Le Creuset since I remember, since I watched cooking shows. Because everybody either had KitchenAids or Le Creusets. just need a little bit of space.
But I need space too.
I'm sorry.
The van is perfectly fine for everyone.
For everybody.
We never had this kind of thing, needing space.
But only because the stove is new, otherwise you wouldn't be sitting there. So this is empty. Ew. What was in there? Water. Look.
Outside. Outside, but
Yeah.
it's normal that happens. It's been inside the van for a little while.
Can you open the door?
Can we just meet 5 seconds?
Okay. How's it going?
I'm gonna leave it. It's burning, but I wanted to put that one burning too.
Okay, fast. Oh, the water came in. Baby, we forgot to buy salt. I have this salt, but it's
Use
been open with
Use
all the
it.
dust. It's like since from the car, since we painted the car, and this is open. You think it's really that bad? I mean, I breathe it in anyway sometimes, so it went into my lungs and stomach, and it's probably worse to breathe it in than to eat it in. But this is car dust. It's like putty. Shall we just do it anyway?
Wait, what do you do? Unsalted food?
We're reckless people. Nobody wants to eat non-salted food. And we both hungry. My mom just messaged me, did you drove alone away? She's been tracking me down. I don't know how she does it. She tracks me down, I think on my phone or something. Since that extension of the table a little bit longer, I have way more space. It's just full of phones right now. When you have a little garlic piece and you don't want to take too much time peeling it, you just simply give it a little crack, and within 1-2 seconds you can peel off the whole garlic and use it. So I have 4 garlic cloves. We have some mussels here and some shrimp as well that we just bought like 10 minutes ago. Normally we only pasta vongole is just with mussels, but because we also like shrimp and it's yummy, we're gonna add it too. So it's gonna be a little bit of a spicy version, but still with white wine.
Mas obviamente que não é para evitar, sei lá, só hora de almoço, por exemplo.
Tastes good. I have to get used to cooking in a small space again and without much water and stuff. I don't know who does that, but do you even eat spaghetti with chopstick?
Then it's love there.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
I need water. Baby,
What?
get dressed. It's cold.
I'm dressed. Stop it. What you trying to do?
I have toothpaste. I have toothpaste here. Stop! It's hurting my back. I used to be that flexible, but not anymore. I swear I'm laughing, but it's really hurting. It's like
This is a wrestling trick, huh?
no, in my lower back. In my lower back.
I know what that pain is, you know.
So tonight we have the stove on.
Like it's
We are going to watch my uploaded video now. It's the stove which. Oh! Oh!
That didn't go
Oh!
out of plan.
You stupid! How do you do that?
It was supposed to stay on the lip. Ah, it's kind of hurting.
Well, because you're in the wood. Was it a lot?
No, it's hurting because it's so
Water.
cold that it hurts.
Really?
Yeah.
You have to do.
I have to do what?
You have to partly drink it, and then you have to water it, and then you can eat
Or
it.
you do it again.
Today I saw a meme. No, actually, I showed you that meme with the girl.
It wasn't today.
I know.
Well, like a week ago.
No.
The girl that was Spanish, Japanese, Indian. No, you tell it.
So this person here, he doesn't wait. He doesn't brush his teeth like normal people, like so, with the hand. Good morning. Open the door. I wanted to show you the view. Ooh. So beautiful.
Kind of windy.
It's windy. We got those things. I got them new as well. They're so handy. Cover all the windows up and actually keeps the heat outside if the sun comes in too much. I'm cooking! Today we're gonna have bread with bacon and a really creamy egg.
Don't shoot me down like safari. They talking about me but they don't know up the story. Them and with the money and the glory. They don't wanna see me drive by in a Rari.
How's the breakfast?
When I get to here, I'll tell you.
Well, it all keeps spinning round and round and upside down. Who's to say what's impossible?
They haters get mad cause I got me some baby made.
These songs remind me so much when I was 16. I could cry. This is an SOS, no more to second guess. This is the bottom line. It's you. Baby, I'm so happy. I'm so happy being in the van and being with him. And oh my god, I'm just so glad. You don't know.